Good afternoon. Today I'll continue to be talking about the coronavirus and the latest updates and news. So the first thing that I would like to talk about is that FDA has approved a testing device made by Abbott laboratories. So this is apparently it's a small device about the size of a toaster, which can deliver positive results in 5 minutes and negative results in 13 minutes. This is a astounding feat, and it is called the new Abbott ID Now COVID-19 test. This is going to be in use starting April 1st, and the company says that it could make about 5 million test kits around the time of April. So this is actually very interesting because since it's so small and usable, it's going to be really helpful for the people, and as it can be used in basically any healthcare setting. And since it provides results so quickly, then there's no need for example, I think there was a couple days back where in California there was about 50,000 people who were just waiting on the results of their tests. And by doing this, it is just going to be so much more convenient. And so how it works is that it detects the presence of nucleic acid from the SARS-CoV-2 virus by identifying a small portion of the virus and then amplifying that portion until there's enough detection. So this molecular testing technology delivers results in minutes, while other testing methods require health workers to take samples from the patients and be delivered to testing labs, which will take hours or even days to get results. According to the Abbott laboratories, its ID Now COVID-19 test is the fastest available molecular point-of-care test. However, other companies producing medical devices with even faster testing capabilities are racing to receive approval from the FDA. So basically, this is the fastest one that's being approved by the FDA, and starting next week, they're going to start producing them, producing 500,000 units a week. Sorry. So the next thing I would like to talk about is that Illinois or Chicago have already reported the first known death of an infant with the coronavirus in the U.S. So there's also always been talks about how it's more dangerous to the elderly population, and most people aren't younger people isn't fatal to the virus, but an infant who tested positive has died on today, and is the first known death of a child younger than 1 year old with the virus in the United States. Even though some authorities in some states do not release details about people who died. A full investigation is underway to determine the cause of death from the director of the Illinois Department of Public Health, and the Cook County Department of Public Health will deliver more information on Tuesday or Wednesday on the cause and the manner of death. 3 new studies have already suggested that the virus could reach the fetus in utero. So if a pregnant woman contracts the coronavirus, its baby could also contract the virus. So, however, even with these studies, newborns are only mildly affected, so which is reassuring. But the younger population should still be aware that there is such a virus there, and they shouldn't just brush it away as nothing, because I think there was photos of teenagers all around the country who are just not practicing social distancing, still hang out with their friends, and just absolutely not taking this crisis as serious at all, because they're like, oh my goodness, I won't get sick, or even if I get sick, I won't die, so it's not fatal to me, so therefore I won't take it seriously. And that's just a really dangerous mindset to have.